হ্যালো ভাই, কেমন আছেন ভাই?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। সৌরভ ভাই কি অবস্থা? হাই টমি, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ?
ভাই, I'm just yeah, it's good. Really hot uh, and humid. Yeah, it's hot and humid here too. Shivanta bhai will ban, right? I don't know. He didn't answer me. I sent him a message earlier and he never looked at it. Okay. Will Tom join? I don't think so. Oh, okay. Okay. So should I go first? Sure, go ahead. Uh, so, I have completed all of my tasks. Uh, besides the target, I'm still waiting on the staging for this site. Yesterday, Tom gave me the staging for BD nationwide. So I worked on it. If you, I'm currently maybe my IP is blocked for BD nationwide. Okay. So I cannot access the site. Can you open on your friends? BD nationwide, just the basic site. Yeah. Yeah. I will also give you the staging model. So if you open it and inspect the source code, okay, uh, yeah, first we check the original one. Oh, the original, okay. Yeah. If you inspect the source code, not this one, inspect source. Oh, view page source. Yeah, view page source. So you will see a lot of inline CSS. If you scroll down, okay, you will see a lot of inline CSS and JS. Here the CSS starts and it goes on. Okay, and at the bottom you will see a lot of JS. So this is why we are getting the low text to HTML ratio because the HTML and CSS JS uh, is far more than the actual text. Okay, I have I have reduced 90%. Yes. If you go to the staging, if you view source of the staging. Oh, this one. Staging. There as well. Staging. So I have reduced the CSS and JS for this one. Okay. Sure. Yeah. We also yeah. Rest subscription, so I cannot check the subdomain. Uh, the thing is, when I try to log in, right, I have a login, but when I try to log in, it will not let me. It tells me wrong password every time. I'm not sure because there's two passwords that they use, but neither one of them works. Oh, yeah, I tried also, but couldn't see it. Yeah. Okay. And then there was the technical person about the stage. Okay. I marked it to QA. So I removed the section and yeah, everything is working fine. You can check it and let me know if I need to do something. So which section did you remove? The feature product. Tom said that we don't need it on the about us page. So I removed it. Oh, on the slider? Yeah, yeah, on the slider. Okay, okay. Alright, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Alright, Shimata, what are you up to? Hello, good morning, fine. Hello, everyone. A bit tired. Just come back to home for just right now and drink the meeting. So, basically, I don't have any updates right now. Uh, because I will, as you know, that I start my schedule a bit late in Friday, so maybe after 30 minutes I will start working. So I have a tactical pursuit, shop, and shop feed. I have the garden store combo and product pay, and for the main street, I have uh, I think marketing pages that I need to review, and that's it for me today. Okay. I think just the shop pages, really. Huh? Oh, yeah. So I think after 4 and 5 hours, I can review my data together. Okay. That's all we're really waiting on you for is tactical pursuit. The other things that we're working on, it's not important, but tactical pursuit, we're really going to finish. Yeah, yeah, I understand. I will finish first. Okay. Um, sure, I can show you this room. Like, just depending on, uh, sorry, let me see. I'm just gonna take you in a comment, but one of the too many tabs open. Sorry. You can see my screen. Yeah. So here, one of the sliders, right? There's like a date, and then next year, we're just missing that, right? We have the slider, there's no date. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, so it's just design update. All right. I'll recast that. So that's it. Okay, I will update it. Um, what else do we? Habib, what are you working on?
Yeah, for today, no task, no working because there is
Okay.
no task for me. But I guess you assign me as soon as possible.
Yeah, I have two I could assign probably right now.
Yeah,
I can show you what they are as well. Yeah. Trying to wrap these websites up. We've been working on them for like 2 weeks or so. We want to finish them, by today, this weekend, if possible. So next month's tidbit, I passed it out to somebody else, and I think they're working on it. Abdus Salam, I think they're working on it. So these are supposed to be the categories, right? Architecture is not a category. So I passed that to him. Maybe he'll be working on it. I hope because he has it in progress. Okay. Other than that, right? If you come here, this should not be sample page, right? Like we should have our about page, our contact page in here, and our blog
Okay,
page,
okay,
right?
okay,
That's what these should be. And then if we scroll down, these links, some of these links work down here. Like, right, the home page just doesn't work, it doesn't work, none of these work. I don't think we have a gallery, so you can ignore that one, but the other ones, they don't work.
okay, understand.
But, uh, these don't work either. I don't have any social media to find, but I'll find some that we can add.
Okay,
Okay, so yeah, that's about it.
I understand.
I would just focus on this header and the footer.
Okay, I need to work on it. You can assign me. I didn't
Okay,
work on homepage before, you know. I just work.
okay,
You said the background color of title maybe. Yes, title is not was not fixed. Then I just work on it 30 minutes, and maybe some problem was the padding, some padding problem and
okay,
some colors problem. I work on just 30 minutes, and you can assign me
okay,
for this. I'll fix everything. No problem. Actually, I have an
okay.
opinion for making website because if a developer work on it by yourself fully, then it will be best because a developer know what he did on this website, and different developer thinking and different developer work different type. So it's hard to know everything. What did before developer, what he did, it was problem. It's not a problem, but I'll fix. No problem.
I do agree.
Yeah,
Yeah.
something I want to say that when I go to the CSS section, I hear something. Nothing to say. I need to check many times what he did. After then, I need to write CSS. You know, so
No, you're
it
correct
is
about
problem. I
that.
hope you understand what I'm saying.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Maybe this problem will be fixed by like formatting out the CSS. Like
Yeah, 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 yeah. This is
it's
yeah, yeah.
that.
This is the right way. If we comment out the CSS, then it will be best always. This is best practice for every developers.
I agree. But it's something that we all need to start doing, and not just one of us, you know.
Yeah, it's not problem.
Yeah. Maybe we can do another meeting. Like we can because we can generate this. We can fix the second plan. Is that like we can fix the way how we approach a design, so
Yeah,
everyone can follow that approach. Like that, not different type of design, like same type of design structure. You are correct. Before working on any project, we can like do that. Yeah, that's all I say on this. That's a good idea. That's something that I will think about how we're going to do going forward. We are we did a couple of projects like this. Shivanto Bhai, Shivanto Bhai and Rafi, we talked about how we can design so that everyone's design is the same, like not different in every page. Okay, but I think we don't do that anymore. Like Shivanto Bhai can hold a meeting with other developers and like fix a design structure. Okay, yeah, possible, possible. All right. Yeah, that's something we'll do going forward. But for now, let's get out of here. Is that enough? Yeah. Hi. Nice meeting. Hi. I have the same perfect like tummy. For allergies? Yeah, I cannot even talk. My voice is like. Yeah, sometimes it's here, sometimes it's not. It's really annoying. Yeah. After waking up, it shows. Yep. All right. I will
Okay.
talk to you later. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Everyone have a good
Okay.
have a good day. Okay, so bye bye.